Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the SAR command. The name SAR stands for System Activity Report. It provides details on all aspects of system performance, including system load, CPU usage, memory use, paging, swapping, disk usage, device load, network activity, and so on. It can report on current performance or pull data from the varlog SA or varlog systat files. That depends on which distribution you're using. To see if it's available, you can just type which SAR, and you'll get the location of where that command is on your system. Now, by default, SAR displays current CPU stats. So if we just type SAR, we're going to get an ongoing list of details about our CPU usage. But I'm going to do something different here. I'm going to get, let's see, 2 3-second reports. So we don't have to wait too long. And there we see the first report and the second, and we can see from the column headings we're looking at all CPUs. User time is very small, system time is even smaller, and the system is idle about 98% of the time. Now the next command pulls data on memory usage, and we're going to look at 2 3-second reports. I'm going to use -R so we get memory. 3 seconds, 2 listings. So we wait a couple seconds, we see the first one, and the second one, and again the averages. So we can see here how much memory is free, how much is used, and what percentage of memory is used as well, along with a lot of other stats. Now the above command gives you an idea how your memory is doing and how your system is doing. Now if you want to learn more about the SAR command, one way to do it is to use the SAR --help command, and I don't want to look at all of it, so I'm just going to pipe that to more. And you can see you get information on many different options that the command has available, and it will take a while to become familiar with all of them because there's a lot going on here. Well, that is your Linux tip for the SAR command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.